Okay, so part of the network of people who support us in any shop are going to be the independent tool dealers. So we're going to go up and talk with our Cornwall guy. Do a little quick interview with him. This is his truck. He's an independent operator. Big shout out to these guys. That's Joe Wilson. Hey, we got Joe here. He's our independent Cornwall dealer. So say hello and let's go look at your truck and see what you got to offer.
Please do.
Come on up. So let's turn around so Joe can, we can actually show everything he's got going. So how long you been doing this?
I'm pretty new. I've been doing about 6 months now, but I'm thoroughly enjoying it, having a good time.
Enjoying all the shops up locally?
Yes.
And you get to know all the guys?
All the guys.
So, are they taking care of you?
Yes, they're taking care of me. One of my favorite shops, as you know, is Airkooled, so I like coming here. The guys are pretty nice. They support me, so I really enjoy it.
Cool. So why do you like Cornwall's truck?
I really only like it because of Joe.
For Joe?
If it wasn't for Joe, I'd tell him to get out of here.
Oh, that tire gauge, that's what it was.
Joe, you're famous. You're on YouTube. Talk.
Oh, he's been talking.
Yeah, I've been talking.
We're going to splice all this together. So this is your little office here, huh?
Yeah, just a little small corner with a printer, computer.
He plugged us too. He's got a picture of me with Herbie here at our shop, but it's stopping the background on his website.
Oh, nice.
So Herbie's sitting next to the truck.
That's the one I bought.
So they even got tools up on the roof.
You gotta maximize the space in it. I mean, that's what Joe's a billionaire, so he's got to.
He's got this.
This is the best right here.
We're going to give you guys a big shout out on YouTube. So you guys have a local distributor of Cornwall.
Yes,
Go
sir.
see them.
Thank you very much.
So see you later. Peace out, guys.